See, ang hirap. Ala, nakakahirap. Ala, ala, nagba-bounce na. Hello guys! My husband wants me to say hello guys. Hello everyone. It's me, Shelly Lemon. Put makeup while we're driving, going to Missouri. I grabbed some makeups. I don't know what I grabbed earlier, but I just want to put some makeup stuff, makeup in my pouch. So while and then I want to put makeup, and let's start. Join with me. So I don't know what I have here. So first, I already earlier when I washed my face and put moisturizer in my face, because it's easy to put makeup if I already put the moisturizer in my face. So I'm gonna start with concealer. So I'm gonna start with a concealer in my eye bags, because too much whitening. So I have an eye bags. I know it's too bright, the sun, but there you go. There you go. I don't know which one at the way. So there you go. Ayan. Parang di ako marunong pa din. Okay, I'm gonna try. I'm gonna show it like that. See? I'm gonna put what is this? A foundation. Ganyan ako maglagay yan. That's my style. I don't know if hindi ko talaga kung ano talaga yung proper how to put makeup. But this is the way I put makeup in my face. So press powder. So ganyan ko lang siya. And I'm gonna put under in my eyes. And parang masistretch yung mga skin ko dyan. In my forehead, my nose, and then here. At huwag niyong kalimutan, of course, sa neck niyo. Ayan. So maglalagay ako ng light, ng white, ito, sa lower my eyebrow, sa lower area of my eyebrow. Ayan, ito siya. Ayan, so maglalagay ako ng light dyan. Ayan. Ang hirap pala kapag nasa sakyan ka na you're putting a makeup, because hindi mo alam kung papantay or hindi. So okay na siya. And then I'm going to put the brown one to the, ano ba yung tawag nila? Yung nose liner. Nose line. Para you look your nose matangos. Ayun. Ito siya. And then gagamitan ko siya ng dark color. Tama ba yung ginagawa ko, guys? Ayan. So kukuha ko ng konti. And then I'm gonna put, okay. Ayan. Naglagay ako dito. Baka ang kalalabasan ng nose line ko is ano na. Hindi ko alam. So ayan, ang nose line, katingnan mo. Nose line ba yung tawag dyan? I-blend mo lang siya. Ayan. And I feel like I put too much. Napaka-dark niya. Hindi ako ganon maglagay. Hindi siya pantay, oh. Bahala na si Batman. And then next is, kasi challenge to while we're driving. Yan, di ba? May color na siya. Ngayon, ang husband ko nag-stop over sa gas station. So I still, that's good, it's perfect. Kasi maglagay ako ng makeup to my face. Or light makeup. So, next, habang may time pa. Ayan. Tapos na ako sa mata ko. So, habang ito yung, kasi mahirap to So, gagawin ko na to. Yung mascara. Wala akong ayan. So, diba, lumaki yung mata ko. Kasi yung mahirap, mabuti na lang. So, maglagay na lang ako ng lagay. So, this time, maglalagay ako ng gaya lang ako. Ayan, may ganyan ko yan. I-blend ko lang dyan. Ganyan dyan. From the here, dito daw. Ayan. Ayan, oh. Ayan siya. Ayan. Tama ba yung ginawa ko, guys? Tama yata. Ayan, parang mayroon kalang ano dyan. Ayan, diba? Ang ganda ko. Ang ganda ko, no? Ayan. Habang naghihintay ako sa husband ko. Kasi bilan mo lang dyan. Ayan. Dahil maglalagay ako ng paint ako. Ng my cheeks. Mag-smile ka lang. Not too much, Shella. Not too much. Kasi maganda ka. Sa face mo. Ayan. Ito siya. Ito siya. Lagi ko ito ginagamit. Para look fresh. Parang you look like wet in your face. But it's not wet. It's a bright. It's a parang mayroon siyang sparkling sa face mo. So first, gagamitan ko siya sa my nose ko. Ayan. Tingnan nyo, diba? There you go. Ayan, ganda. And then, naglalagay ako dito. Diba? More. Diba? That was dito. Maglalagay ako ng lip liner. Wala akong lip liner. Kalimutan ko kasi nga nagmamadali kami. So, ayan. Parang red or purple ay yung ano. Maglalagay ako dito ng liner. Oh, done. Oh, okay ba yan? Parang weird. Hindi talaga ako marunong maglagay ng makeup. So, trying hard lang ako. Minsan ako lang yung makeup. Kapag pumupunta ako sa work, wala talaga ako makeup. Just foundation only kasi hindi naman ako office woman. So, ayan. So, ayan lang guys. Thank you. Parang maganda diba? Buti na lang naka-stop over kami sa gas station. At least na-fix ko yung eyes ko. So, I don't know guys kung meron ko natutunan sa makeup rush ko. Ito yung tinatawag na pwede kang mag-makeup sa loob ng sasakyan habang nagda-drive. So, hindi ako nagda-drive. Habang nagda-travel, o ayan, kung wala kayong time, bring your makeup in your car and then do makeup inside the car. Ayan. Ganda naman ng resort, no? And then, magpapaphoto nga kayo ako. So, there you go, guys. Thank you so much for joining with me for my craziness makeup tutorial. But I'm not really expert in makeup, but I try my best to put like something makes me fun inside the car while my husband is driving, and I enjoy my makeup tutorial. It's a tutorial, makeup craziness tutorial inside the car. So thank you, and here's Shallow Lemon. Your service talaga. It's me, Shallow Lemon, to say I love you all and God bless, and bye for now.